Hey y'all, so in today's video I have some cleaning motivation and I have some realistic Christmas decorating. So I did go to Ross and I bought a few things just to put around the house. So the first thing that I got was this reindeer bowl, which I think is so cute, but I knew when I bought it, it wasn't going to be able to hold anything but some candy. So I just put some Christmas Hershey Kisses in there, and then I did go back to Ross and I found this cute Christmas, well, it's like a Christmas themed candle to go next to the reindeer on the tray. So y'all will see that later on in this video. But off camera, me and my husband and the kids, we did set up the Christmas tree and we put, little ornaments on there just together. After this video, I did fluff the Christmas tree out more, and the Christmas tree still just have a lot of spaces in it. This Christmas tree was given to us, so I'm not sure how long she had it before giving it to us. So eventually I do want to get a new Christmas tree, but I'm just so grateful that we did not have to buy a Christmas tree. So I still love it, the kids still love it, and I just really love how the garland and the Christmas tree glows at night. So the next day I was getting dressed so I can go ahead and clean and film, and I was showing you that I was putting on my jewelry. Y'all know that I have shown y'all Ana Luisa's jewelry a few times on my channel. All of Ana Luisa's jewelry is long lasting, tarnish resistant, water resistant, and also hypoallergenic. So I have a lot of different pieces from them, y'all. I love every single piece that I've received from them. This little watch strap bracelet I've had for a while now and it's still holding up. And y'all know Christmas is coming up, so if y'all have somebody in y'all family that's really into jewelry and y'all would like to get them some really nice jewelry but at an affordable price, I highly suggest checking out Ana Luisa. They have a sale going on right now, y'all, and y'all do not want to miss it. So I will leave all of the details down below. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. Fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. Fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure. Fa la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes. Fa la 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 la. Okay, y'all, so after I folded up the clothes that was in the basket, I'm going to make up our bed. And so y'all will see that I did put this long decor pillow on the bed when I was done. I got that pillow from Ross, and originally it was like pumpkin themed. If y'all been here, it was a pumpkin themed pillowcase on it. And I love that it was like able to come off because I just took that off and I washed it, and I just got this Christmas themed pillowcase off of Amazon. And I think it's so cute, even though the texture of this pillowcase is not the best, but we don't sleep on it anyway, so it don't matter. But I think that pillow is so cute. So anyway, I'm going to use this Pledge antibacterial spray to wipe down all of the surfaces in the room, and then I'm going to burn this crackling candle that I got from Ross. So I'm about to straighten up at my desk because it's a mess, but y'all will see the box in a few seconds. Justin got Jaden a iPad as an early Christmas gift, and y'all, I'm like, thank God, because every day he would try to use mama's tablet and she would fight him, and it was just drama every day. And because he hasn't had a tablet in a long time, he broke his tablet and we was like, no, it's not happening. So it's been a while for him. So ever since he's had this iPad, y'all, I have not heard him. I have not seen him. All he does is play Roblox. He go to school, he do good, he come back home, and he just play Roblox and he just chill. So things has been easier for me as far as like with the kids, fighting each other. So yeah, the main thing for Christmas for Jaden this year was the iPad, and then what I want Janae to get is a vanity for their room, because she's starting to get into like little girl things, and I want her to have a mirror that she can look at herself in. And I already got her a lip gloss set and like this Frozen body spray, like the Frozen movie body spray for her. And yeah, they're gonna have a few other little things, but the main thing was the iPad and then the vanity. So y'all let me know what y'all plan on getting y'all kids, or at least the main thing that y'all plan on getting them. Y'all, I already know like Christmas, it could be a hard time financially, because last year the kids didn't get anything from us. We just couldn't do it last year. So everything that they got was from other people. And so I'm just really grateful that we are able to get them something this year.
In December rain, they play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday, counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night, I know you may stop a light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh blows cold, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close?
So the kitchen was a mess from the night before, and then also in the morning when I was cooking breakfast and just getting Jaden ready for school. So I'm going to put everything that needs to go up. And that's basically what I like to do when I'm doing the kitchen. I just put everything up, and then I move on to putting whatever I can fit into the dishwasher. And then I go ahead and wash whatever dishes is left, and then I wipe everything down, and then I sweep or vacuum the floor.
All ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem.
So I'm gonna wipe down this table. There's a bunch of like crumbs and stuff underneath the table, but my daughter, she already tore this table up, y'all can see I don't even feel like getting into it, but the table was $120 something off of Amazon anyway, so I knew it wasn't gonna last that long, but I didn't think it was gonna get tore up as fast as it did. So when you have kids, you already know you have to have like solid wood stuff for stuff to last, because they just be going crazy. But anyway, so I did buy this gingerbread man house from Ross that I wanted to put on this tier tray, and it was just too big, so I ended up just putting the house that was already on there back up there, and then I put this gingerbread man candle next to it. And I do not like the black and white sign and like the black and white rolling pin, but when I bought the tier tray, y'all, I bought a different one that had different decor that came with it, and they sent me this one with the black and white. So I'm gonna go back to Ross and I'm gonna try to find some different stuff that I could put on this tier tray, because I do not like the sign and the rolling pin. But then after that, I did get some hand towels from Ross, and then I also got this candle and this really cute candle holder. And then I ended up just putting the gingerbread house that could not fit on the tray on top of the dishwasher.
It's the night before Christmas Day. 힘들고 지쳤던 지난 기억 속에 하얗고 새로운 깨끗한 눈이 내 마음속에 수북하게 쌓여졌으면 해. It's the night before Christmas, the night before Christmas.
So the last room that I'm gonna clean and somewhat decorate for Christmas is the kids' room. So I'm gonna take all of their sheets off of their bed, because I did get them a new sheet set from Ross, which is a Christmas one. And then Jaden's bed, his what is it, mattress protector is all ripped up, so I had to get him a new mattress protector. But anyway, I got them these cute Christmas sheets, and they're flannel. And y'all, the flannel sheets, they're so soft and cozy and warm. It's just crazy. So I have to go on Amazon and find us some flannel sheets, because I need flannel sheets now. But anyway, I'm gonna sweep everything up. You guys see that there was a ornament somehow in their room, so I just ended up sweeping that up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the sheets on their bed.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate.
Look how cute the little blanket is. Isn't it so cute? So the pink blanket is from Betsy Johnson, and I thought it was so cute. I had to get it from Mama. And then Jaden had a blanket as well. It wasn't like a brand that I knew, but I think that the sheets and everything is just so cute. It came out so cute, and I like little blankets for their bed now, because they're so young, y'all, and they always put their blanket on the floor. I cannot wash a comforter every week. It was just too much. So I like the little blankets just so I don't have to like wash anything too big every week. And then I also put on the Grinch movie for them, just so they can just like be happy. They was really happy with they new sheets and stuff, y'all. So they was watching the movie, and I started making some dinner. So I just went ahead and made this Alfredo by the Chef Boyardee brand. And it was really easy to make. I just put the sauce packets in there, and I put a little bit of water, and I just covered it and let it cook until it was done. And that was dinner. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that it was realistic to y'all and motivating to y'all. And I hope that it put you in the spirit to clean and decorate. And I appreciate y'all so much. If y'all like this video, please do not forget to give this video a like. And I will see y'all in my next one.
And no one cares about yesterday.